augmented reality course. In this course, we will learn how to download, configure, and use Unity Game Engine to develop an augmented reality app that is compatible with mobile phones. From this link, go to Unity download page. If the link is not working, you search for Unity Download in any browser. Then select the appropriate download option for your operating system. Now first, open the downloaded setup file and press Agree after reading the license agreement. Then select the destination folder for Unity Hub. You can continue with default location and press Install. After the installment, please make sure that Run Unity Hub is selected. Then you can press Finish. If Unity Hub does not open it from your computer. Now we are inside the Unity Hub. Since we want to install it from the Install page, you can click Skip Installation for this part. After downloading the Unity Hub, it is time to install Unity Editor. First click Installs and then click Install Editor button at the top right. Then, click Install button for the most recent LTS version. You can indicate this by checking the recommended version tag below the version name. LTS means long-term support. Therefore, LTS versions will be supported for a long time simultaneously with the latest versions. It is primarily recommended for creators beyond the pre-production phase, approaching the finalization of production on a specific Unity version, especially for those who prioritize maximum stability and support for their upcoming project. Select Android build support to be able to build on Android, or select iOS build support to be able to build on iOS. Make sure that you have available space for the download. You can add these modules after downloading the editor as well, but it is easier to do it here. You can download both build supports if you want. One last very important step is to download Visual Studio. If you haven't downloaded it before, you will see that you can select to download it from here. Then press Continue. When downloading Unity Editor, it will automatically navigate you to Visual Studio download screen that you can select workloads. Find Game Development with Unity and select it to include to your installation. Then you can exclude Unity Hub from the right part because we have already downloaded it. Then click Install. After the download finishes, click Projects and then press New Project. In this screen, scroll and find AR Mobile Core Template and press Download Template at right bottom. After the download, you can name your project and select the location that you want to store the project files. Click Create Project button to create your project. You can leave everything as default as well. Creating project will take some time. We successfully created our AR development project. This is the Unity interface that we will spend our most time with. Thanks to the template, all the configurations are already made by Unity except the build environment. First, click File and press Build Settings. In the Build Settings, click Add Open Scenes. By doing this, you will allow the current scene to be in the build when building your app. Then, click Android or iOS, whichever you want to build your app to. If you did not install the Android or iOS module, you need to press Install with Unity Hub in this menu. However, since we already downloaded when installing the editor, it is not required for our case. After selecting the platform, click Switch Platform. This will take some time. This will alter the platform from Windows, Mac, Linux to Android or iOS. Since we are developing the app for these platforms, it is essential to specify it to Unity. You can do it after developing the app, however it will take more time since more assets need to be converted between the platforms. Now you can close the build settings.